Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I just wanted to share that the channel has reached a very important milestone, and I wanted to share the award with you that you get from YouTube. So once you reach 100,000 subscribers, the channel's reviewed, and they will send you a plaque for the 100,000 subscribers, also known as the Silver Play Button Award. So this was through Society Awards, is the company who works directly with YouTube for this. The only thing I wish they probably would have done differently is shipped it in a different box, because to me this was very important, and I wish the original box hadn't been through the whole shipping process. So I took a heat gun and very carefully took off the labels to try to preserve the box the best that I can. So we're going to go ahead and get into this, and just remember, every time you see this award, this is a representation of you as the viewers. I get to keep it on my desk, which is really cool. But inside it has the congratulations on your milestone from Society Awards, which is the company who does this. You have a nice cardstock letter here from the CEO of YouTube, and then here's the award itself. I think it looks really nice here. It's in plastic, so that should keep it nice for being shipped. So I'll go ahead and try to take this off one-handed. I'm getting used to that as a YouTube guy, videotaping and all that. But anyway, the award looks really nice here. And so it has the mirror that gives it a really good look recessed in there, and it says presented to Danny Johnson's Garage for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. I like the aluminum feel to it. I like how it's thick. I think overall it's a very well designed award, and I'm happy to see it. And they also include a little advertisement here if you want to purchase additional awards, and I'll show you a little bit later their pricing on some of those. I think this came out really nice. I like the reflector part of it. I think it's something that's going to catch your eye when you walk into a room, and I think they did a really good job with it. I think the mirror is a very fun approach of getting something that's shiny. Maybe I'm just one who looks for and gets distracted for bright and shiny objects. So I'll have to decide if I want it to be on the desk or put it on an easel, mount it to the wall. But it's a very nice looking award. You may know they have changed the style. It used to be in a shadow box with the play button icon. I think this also looks really nice. I like the mirror effect that gives it something shiny. So the paper that they sent you is a 9 by 7 inch if you want to have that framed. As for the award, it's also 9 inches in height, but it's a little bit wider. It's actually 7.5 inches wide is what it looks like it comes out to, and the thickness is about 1/2 inch. So a little more information on the award itself on your channel. You'll get a notification once it's like 4 or 5 days after having hit 100,000 subscribers. You can go in and basically check out with a code, and it shows 0 cost. Then you can put in additional codes to purchase more. So they're $125 for a duplicate. They do charge an additional shipping cost as well. I really liked the Silver Icon Award. They will engrave the name, or at least print it on the back side of it. So I got one of these coming, and I'll review it when it shows up. But it's kind of a one-time only thing. Once you make the milestone, you have to have a code and everything in order to order these, so you can't just go pick one up off eBay. They do also offer a letter from the CEO, but they have it printed on a different piece of metal. So that's just something else, but I kind of liked this one. So thanks for watching. I super appreciate you guys who are supporting this channel. That's what this milestone is all about, is recognizing those who are helping support the channel so I can continue to make videos. I love making videos that help other people. That's the whole drive of the channel. So we'll catch you on the next video, and thanks for watching.